Good morning, everyone. Today is lesson number 28. We're gonna learn about window graphic user interface. All right, let's run the program. What it does, it creates a window, and that's all it does. Okay, and we're gonna look at it. What it does here. You import this object, and you create an object, and you create a frame, and then you create a button here, and you just show it, and you just go to the loop, and that's it. That's all it does. Okay, now number 2, let's go look at number 2 here. We already done with number 1. Okay, number 2, you're gonna show it, right? So the button here, run it. See, you can, all it does just create this open. So let's go look at number 2, what it does exactly. We do the same thing, create it, and you create a frame, and you put it, you can show a title, you create a button here, say open, and you create a button here, say save. You're going to show it, and you're going to run it, and that's what you see. Look at number 3. We could come in number 2, go to number 3, not really. Alright, number 3, we're going to run it. This can also text control. Okay, run it. Oh, create text control. We create a text box, window text box here. Create a save and button here, open here. That's it. That's what I created. So look at number 3. What it look like. All right. You do the same thing, except that you're gonna show, and you can put a label in here and the position where you want it to be and the size. And same thing with the shape. Do the same thing here, and you create a text control. You can where you want it to be and the size of it, and the other one is content text control. This one the same thing. They use the text control object. But this one here, they make it like multi-line and with a scroll. Without this addition, you just have look like you have here, right? So, okay. Number 4. We go to number 4. Alright, this one here, let's go to number 4 before I run it so you can see. Alright, this is 4 right here. So let's run it. Here you go. Let's move over here and just show what's going on here. Alright, but you create a frame, and you have a title right there. The size you want to make it big like this. And you load a button. You have open, you got right there, right? You have a label save, you have right here, and you have a text control, you have right here, and you have multi-line, and which is this one right here. Okay. Now you want to make this box sizer. This box sizer does is it add a frame with expand, and with border is 5, left and position 0, left and position you have a box, you have a file name, save, and button you have a load what they call open here, save you have here, and the text box you have right there, and that's all it does. Okay, and then you make it vertical and horizontal. You can do that. You can have a V box, make it like that, and you have a content, expand left, right, and that's all it does, I guess. And you can do a show and do a main loop. Okay, that's all it does. get this thing, you got this thing. All right. Close it. And the last one, number 5. All right, let's close the sizer here. Let's run this, show the GUI. This is the final program. Let's go look at number 5, what it does. Alright, so GUI is number 5 right here. So let's run it. Same thing except it's gonna have instead of that it break it down into a function. You do a load event. A load event is just gonna have open the file name, the value, and then you're gonna set the content. You're gonna read the file, and the file is gonna be closed, right? So let's say you say test.txt, open, and you say this is a tab. Add the sentence here, right? Let's say hit add another sentence, and if I say save, and then I'm gonna open, I'm gonna say save right there. Okay. Okay, so this one had a save event. You can do get the value. You're gonna get the value, and then you're gonna go to close. Save is open, and then you write it. Okay, load. You're gonna open, and you set the value, and read, and close. And everything stay pretty much the same. The load rate, the controls stay the same. VBox, the Xbox gonna stay the same. The VBox will stay the same. Size. It's done. The only thing it added is these two functions here, so you can get the file, you can save the file, and then you do that. You know, if I close it, if I run it again, and if I do this and I load it again, and you see that I don't want to just add it, so that's what it does. Okay. All right, this concludes the window, window, create window environments, and you can do this. Okay. Let me recap it by look at what you're gonna do. You can use the Python window object. This is for window, and this is for Java Swing. You have time to go look at it, and you had PyGTK and another. You can use it. This is for the Linux. And PyQt, this is for the cross-platform. Get time, look at it, okay? And you can go look at Python to look at that, and that's all. All right, this concludes the lesson for today. It's about 8 minutes. I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you again next time. Bye.